Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sell your product on Alibaba using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings and look for Join as Supplier or Sell on Alibaba. Follow the instruction to switch your account from a buyer to a seller. You may need to verify your identity or business information. Now tap Add Product, fill in the product details, name, descriptions, price, quantity, shipping options, and photos. Make sure your description is clear and your photos are high quality. Buyers like to see exactly what they are getting. Next, set your shipping options and price. You can offer free shipping or choose a courier. Also check if your product meets any minimum order requirements, which is common on Alibaba. Finally, tap Publish to make your product live on Alibaba. Your listing is now visible to buyers all over the world. You can manage orders and message them directly from your iPhone, and that's it. Now ready to start selling on Alibaba using your iPhone. That's all about today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.